Using Vercel with GitHub allows you to quickly deploy and manage projects directly from your GitHub repositories. Vercel is ideal for front-end projects and serverless functions, providing a streamlined deployment process. Here's how to use Vercel with GitHub. Sign up for Vercel. Visit Vercel and create an account if you don't already have one. Vercel integrates seamlessly with GitHub. Connect your GitHub account. Log into your Vercel dashboard and link your GitHub account. Go to Settings, Accounts, GitHub and authorize Vercel to access your repositories. Create a new project. In the Vercel dashboard, click on New Project and choose Import Projects from GitHub. Select the repository containing your front-end or serverless project. Select Deployment Framework. Vercel supports various frameworks like Next.js, React, Vue, or plain HTML or CSS projects. Vercel automatically detects your project and sets up deployment. Configure build settings. Vercel will automatically generate a build command based on your project setup. Ensure that your build step produces a public directory. Deploy the project. Click Deploy to start the deployment process. Vercel will fetch your latest code from GitHub, build the project, and deploy it to a serverless environment. Manage deployments. After deployment, Vercel provides a unique URL for your project. You can also manage deployments, set environment variables, and monitor analytics directly from the dashboard. Continuous integration. Vercel integrates with GitHub Actions or other CI/CD workflows to automatically deploy changes whenever you push to your GitHub repository.